This is our first father and son race at Glen Helen.
Right. Hey, what's up guys? Rado here with Timothy and with our friends. Let me show you around. The Wade's right here. Hey, what's up, Wade?
Hey.
They're gonna be racing these the 65s. I will be racing 250 and Timmy will be racing this 112. This will be his first race, my second race. How about you guys?
First.
Woo! We got a lot of first racers here today, so it will be fun. Somehow we are all on green bikes. It should be a good green day today. All Kawasaki hopefully will work good for us today. Timmy is a little nervous. This is the first time, you know, gate drop and all that. It's gonna be something else. I'm on a KX250 2022. I'll be racing in 40 plus noise. It's a step up from my last race. I was a beginner. Alright guys, so first race, my race in the books. I don't know how I did. It was fun. I was riding faster than what I would normally do when I'm just riding for fun. So this is really benefit of a race. But yeah, there was a lot of good guys, better than me, but we had fun. I got really hard arm pump toward the end, so I slowed down a little bit and I was sitting way too much. So let's see how the moto number 2 goes. Now it's Timmy's turn. Go, 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 go!
It's harder than I thought.
It's harder than you thought? How did you do? It didn't go down, right? You thirsty? Tired? How was that hill over there? Come on, tell me more.
Well, the first time I went on it on practice, I could barely make it, but now I was jumping off the top of it.
Oh, nice. Good feeling? So second moto, get ready, okay? So we got the first results from the Moto 1. Timmy was fourth from 85 beginners, and 40 plus novice. I was number 2. So if I can win second moto, maybe I can do overall. That will be fun. Timmy, Timmy, you do a little bit better. You can maybe do third. Now we are fourth. So pretty cool. I stole it again, man. Ooh, arm pump. On my second moto I felt really good. I don't know about the results. It usually takes like 20 minutes. I'll go and check it. But I passed the guy who was first in the first moto. So maybe, hopefully, if they put it together, I might be somewhere up there. Let's see.
My dad is a champion!
Yeah, right. Second motor, what do you think, huh?
Great, I was really feeling it on the track.
It was a little better?
Yeah, on the first motor on the practice I wasn't feeling, on the third motor I really caught it, you know?
Cool. Hey, how about you guys? How did it go?
I mean, I didn't crash and I passed the guy in an 85, so I'm happy.
Nice. How about you?
I fell at one of the at the top of one of the really steep hills, and that put me in last place.
But you were on it, man. Like, you were really ripping those jumps. Your bike sounded so good when you passed us. Cool, right on. Alright guys, so our first father and son race is over. This was Timmy's very first race and my second race. Timmy, how did it go?
Well, at the beginning, the first moto, it was kind of hard. And I thought I got last, but actually I didn't. And then on the second moto, I was really feeling it, so I think I beat my lap times on my first moto, and yeah.
Cool. Yeah, so Timmy was in 85 and 112 beginner class, but there wasn't a lot of beginners today. Today those guys were much faster. You can tell they're riding for a long time. Dude, those guys would beat me on the track. So I think Timmy did great. His first moto. The track was not easy. The steep hills, uphill, downhill, some very deep ruts. So I was really proud that Timmy finished everything, didn't go down, and wasn't lost. So I think this is a good building block. So now we're gonna build on that. So Tim, did you have fun?
Yep.
You want to do it again?
Mm-hmm.
You want to ride more?
Uh-huh.
He's so tired. We woke up at 4 a.m. to come here on time, register and do all that, practice and everything. So now it's almost 2 p.m. Outside is like 103 degrees, super hot today at Glen Helen, but it's really something. It's really amazing. And hey, check it out. This is what I got. So I actually ended up winning my class, which was a novice, 40 years old novice. And at the starting gate, we were like 30, 40, 50 years old together, racing together. So I didn't really know who is with me in my class. So after first race, I checked it. I was second, and I knew which guy was first. So then I was like, hey, I just need to beat that one guy in the Moto 2, and I might win overall. And that's exactly what happened. So I went for the win in the second Moto, and then I'm taking this home, this puppy. So we'll be hanging somewhere in my garage. It's just fun, It's a Saturday MX. It used to be REM before at the Glen Helen. But it's the same race, same kind of thing. It's fun, it's well organized, and yeah, we just had an amazing day today, right, Timmy?
Mm-hmm.
And we had weights with us. There were 3 brothers. They were also racing, so they ended up second, third, and Brock, he's only 5 years old. He was on KTM 50. He ended up 5th. So it was pretty good day today for pretty much everybody, right, Tim?
Uh-huh.
Want to do it more?
Mm-hmm.
He's so tired. Well, my friend, that's about it for today. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Let us know below in the comments, and don't forget, whatever you do, stay motivated. See you later.